Good day everyone. So today I'll be discussing about dance, which is the final topic for the final period. So what is dance? So dance is one of the oldest forms of art. Since ancient times, people kay nagsayaw na siya for celebrations, religious ceremonies, and expressing emotions. So also, dance is the rhythmic movement na usually accompanied by music to show ideas, feelings, or stories. As a performing art, dance uses body movement to communicate without words. So next is the importance of dance. So first we have the builds confidence. So build confidence is a great way to connect emotionally with an audience and other people. Expression, smiling, and reflection well promoted. This creates a health environment in which students can express their feelings in a productive manner while learning to control their emotions. So ang kaning builds confidence, makatabang siya sa individual para bitaw makat-on sa nila pag-express ang ilang emotions and how to interact others. The second one is health. Dance provides the necessary daily physical fitness recommendations of the most healthcare professionals. Promoting physical fitness creates an excellent foundation for future lifelong health and fitness. So ari sa health, it is ang dance can provide yun siya physical activity that makatabang bito sa itong lawas nga mo liskay or ma-strengthens and makapromote po na siya og lifelong fitness. So the third one is the social involvement. So dance enable one to meet a new friends. As a result of working on team, partner, and solo performances, one can develop comfort in working independently, a taste of healthy competition, and inspiration from peers. So, as a social involvement, it allows people to meet a new friends and also kanang para magka-work together. And then the fourth one is the fun activity and relaxation. The number rule to dancing is to find joy and fun in what we are doing. Dancers will feel the freedom of expression, meet new friends, and reap the rewards of dancing. So, sa fun activity, ma ma-encourage siya og enjoyment and freedom of expression. Natay ka ng freedom of expression. And then lastly is creativity and imagination. So dancers will work on creating shapes and movements through imagination and exploration. This beneficial to all aspect of life, creating endless opportunities for future development. So ari diri ang dancers kay maka-explore siya og kanang movement bitaw nga makaunaw na sila ila unsa ilang movement sa dance or shapes or ideas nga makatabang nga ma-develop ilang creative thinking. So let's move to the elements of dance. So we have five elements of dance. The first one is the space. It's where the area covered by dance movements. So it includes shape, level, directions, and pathways. So are ang space dere if asa ang dancers mo moves, including if asa ang padung or ang levels sa dance. So the next element is the time. So it is how fast or slow or tempo, even or uneven beat, and long or short or duration. The movement is rhythm, freezes, acceleration, and deceleration. So ari sa time, mga elements ni siya sa dance kay lagi wala may dili makuha ng dance bitaw if wala tay time kay nag-involve man ni siya og kanang rhythm or duration sa movement. So the next is the energy. Energy or ang energy ari pod ang quality or ang force or ang effort. So dere nag-focus ni siya sa quality of movement such as whether it is sharp, smooth, strong, or gentle. So the next element is the body, zones of the body, shapes, and base. So ari sa body refers to the body parts and how the body forms shape. So di mo siguro mahimo ang dance if wala ang body. Ang dance lang body if is mag-partner na siya kay if mag-ingon tag dance ang ato man yung lawas ang molihok. So the last element is the action. So locomotor and non-locomotor movements. So it includes locomotor movements like traveling steps like walking or jumping, or sa non-locomotor kay ari ra siya staying in one place. So the next one is the chapter 2, classification of dances. So we have here folk dance. Folk dance, it is a dance developed by people that reflect the life of the people of a certain country or region. Ritual dances are usually called religious dances because of their purpose. The term ethnic and traditional are used when it is required to emphasize the cultural roots of the dance. A dance that tells much about a country and its people. They relate or show the tradition ideas, superstitions, and events of daily living of the countries all over the world. So a type of dance that is a vernacular, usually recreational expression of a past or a present culture. So, so ang folk dance lagi nagrepresent na siya sa mga tradition, ang lifestyle sa mga tao in a specific regions. Sa folk dance, diri man jud ma-reflect ang daily activities, belief, customs, or mga celebrations. So, next is we have Francisca Reyes Aquino, or also known as the mother of Philippine folk dancing. She is a legendary, and it was her dream to promote the teaching of folk dances in the physical education curriculum of Philippine schools. She also received the Philippine Republic Award Merit for untiring efforts in collecting, compiling, and propagating folk dances, and for her outstanding contribution to the advancement of Filipino culture in the field of dance. She also found the Philippine Folk Dance Society to bring together physical education students, teachers, administrators, and individuals interested in folk dancing. So si Francisca Reyes Aquino nag-play din siya as a major role in collecting sa mga teaching sa traditional dances. Kay her work nag-ensured man siya nga these dances continued or continue to be passed on to sa mga future generations. So next is the classification of folk dances. First, we have the geo- geographical classification. We have two dances, the national dances and the local dances. So first, the national dances found throughout the islands with little or no modification. So for example, Rigodon, Cariñosa, Hota, Balitaw, and Pandango. So national dances, makita dyan na siya only sa kanang perform it throughout the kanang Philippines. While sa local dances, found in a certain locality or sa mga specific areas lang siya makita ang mga dances. For example, kaning tinikling sa Leyte, maglalatik sa Binyang, ang subli sa Batangas, din ang binigan bigat kaysa Abra. So, may mga gitag national dances, it performed throughout the Philippines. While sa local dances, is sa mga specific areas ra. Next, classification of folk dances is the nature. So first one is the occupational. So it depicting action of certain occupation, industry, or the human labor. So for example, ang kaning planting, harvesting, pounding, winnowing, pabirik, or manigit. So sa occupational dances, magpakita ni siya og mga daily work sa mga tao. Motong mga example such as katong pag-farm, sa fishing, sa planting, and sa harvesting. So the next one is the religious or ceremonial. So kani it performed in connection with religious vows and ceremonies. So for example, dugso, suwa-suwa, putong, Santa Clarang Pinong-Pino. So kaning religious or ceremonial dances, it performed during rituals or offering or spiritual ceremonies to honor para sa para to honor God, saints, or religious beliefs. So the next one is the comic dances. So depicting funny movements for entertainment. For example, kaning kimbo-kimbo, mokongo, kinotan, or itik-itik. So ang kaning comic dances it is a humorous dances like that imitate funny movements or actions na maka-entertain bitaw sa audience or maka makakatawa sa audience. Next one is the game dances. It is with played elements or a dance mixers. For example, lubi-lubi or fabo. So ari sa game dances, it is dances with playful activities or game-like movements. It is often used kanang for fun or social interaction or kanang mga duwa sa mga bata. The next one is the wedding dances. So wedding dances performed during wedding fest. Example, panasahan or panatomina. So ang wedding dances perform siya like during wedding celebration para i-honor ang mga couple and nag-symbolize po ni siya unity, love, and blessing. Next is the courtship dances. So it is depicting love making. So example, tadik, daling-daling, hele-hele, bago keri, and maramyon. So ang kaning courtship dances, nag-show po siya romantic feelings, love, or admiration between a man and a woman. So next one is the festival dances. So it is suitable for special occasion or any social gatherings. So for example, pandango, habanera, jota, sortido. So it is a colorful dances performed during fiestas or special celebrations to show joy, gratitude, and community spirit. So example pod ani ang kaning ari sa Danau katong karan sa festival nag-celebrate ni siya sa third week of September ata. So mao na siya ang festival dances. So ang next is war dances, showing imaginary combat or duel. For example, maglalatik, sagayan, or palo-palo. So ang kaning war dances nag-imitate ni siya fighting, kanang battles or warriors movements nga nag-show siya og kanang bravery, kakusgan, and kanang heroism. So now let's move on to the movement. So movement, we have four: the active, moderate, slow, and fast. So first we have active, a fast energetic movement. So active kato na siya mga dance nga paspas. For example, tinikling, maglalatik, sakuting, and polkabal. So the next one is the moderate. For ang moderate, kuha ni siya dili ka nang di siya paspas, dili pod siya hinay. So example ani kaning karinyosa, kaning tigala, porpori, and habanera. So the next one is the slow. So kanin siya mga hinay nga mga dance or mga folk dance. For example, kanang pasakat, amorasa, tiliday, and kondiman. We also have slow and fast. So namgi mga folk dances nga mix na siya hinay, napod siya mo paspas. So for example, ang kaning potritos, ba ingles, habanera, botolena, and alcamfor. So the next one is the formation. First one is the square quadrille. So for example, kaning Rigodo, Los Bailes de Ayer. Next formation is the long formation. It is two or more parallel lines. So for example, Lulay, Sakuting, and the last formation is the set. It is consisting of two or more pairs such as a unit, partners facing each other or standing by side. Ang example ani is the binadyong, haplik, and kakawati. Kakawati. So we have here the special classification. So these are groups that have special distinctive features. So the first one is dance with song. So example ani Abaruray, Manangbiday, Lolay, Rohelea, Lawiswis, Kawayan. Then next special classification is the old ballroom dances. Examples polka, mazurka, chutis, and vals. And the next is the dance with implants. Implants or implements. Example, maglalatik, sakuting, lahota, monkadena, tinikling, and salakot. And then the last special classification is the dance of combined rhythm. Examples, sortido, pantomina, los bailes de ayer. So the next is we have here the type, origin, description, and example. So first type is the Maria Clara dance. It is origin from the Luzon and Visayas, and it is named after the chief female character of the Rizal's Noli Me Tangere, Spanish influence or Philippinized by the use of bamboo, castanets, and banico. So for example, ang kaning Lahota and Pasillo de Iloilo. So kaning Maria Clara dance, so makita dyan siya sa Luzon and Visayas. These dances are influenced by Spanish culture and named after the character Maria Clara. So napakita siya elegance, grace, and kadalasan gigamitan niya siya bamboo castanets and fans. So the next one is the rural dance, origin in Luzon, and then this dances illustrates the fiesta, spirit, and love of life. Best known type of Filipino dance and dance girls, colorful balintawak, and patadyong skirts, camisa de chino, and colored trousers. So an example, binaswan and tinikling. So ari sa rural dance, nag-show po ni siya joyful, festive, and simple life in the countryside. So mga gipangsulob sa mga dancers ani kay mga colorful and kana pong mga traditional rural clothing. So the next one is the Muslim dance. So ang origin kay sa southern Mindanao. So it is characterized by vivid colors and rhythmic movements which reflect the influence of Arabian and Indo-Malaysian culture. So example, ang kaning singkil and vinta. So ang kaning Muslim dance kay nag-feature niya sa bright costumes and flowing niya ang rhythmic movements influenced by Arabian and Indo-Malaysian culture. So the next is the tribal dance, origin in Mindanao. Tribal dances perform essential for gods, ceremonial and ritual type dance. So example, ang kaning Udol and Mandaya. So ang tribal dance, it performed by indigenous groups in Mindanao. So ang mga these dance are usually kanang for rituals, ceremonies, or to honor God na nagpakita og kanang strong cultural traditions. So the next one is the Cordillera dance. It is origin from northern Luzon. So dances to celebrate victories, festivals, religious rituals, Thanksgiving, etc. Music instrument includes nose flute, bamboo guitar, drums, and wooden stick. So example ani kay uyaoy. So kaning Cordillera dance, this dance like to celebrate victories, rituals, and kanang mga Thanksgiving. So they use traditional instrument like atong bamboo guitars, floats, drums, and sticks. So that's all for my part. Thank you for listening.